Tesla invites high school seniors to its development program. Tesla invites graduating high school seniors to apply for its manufacturing development program. The Elon Musk-led company believes that the manufacturing development program would help young leaders and innovators establish careers at Tesla. Join graduates living in California, Nevada, New York, and Texas who have started their careers with the manufacturing development program. Once you apply, you'll participate in a series of information sessions and interviews. Those selected will receive their offer and be invited to a signing day celebration, stated Tesla. Our manufacturing development program puts graduating high school seniors on the fast track to a career at Tesla. Tesla's manufacturing development program included courses at a local college. After completing the program, Tesla will issue a Tesla Advanced Manufacturing Certification. The former high school student can use the certificate to apply for a full-time production associate position at any Tesla Gigafactory. The positions are paid with benefits and include TSLA stock ownership. Tesla recently started posting new job listings after a streak of layoffs. In May, 20 autopilot team jobs were posted on Tesla's career page. Earlier this month, Tesla posted more job listings in multiple categories across the United States. Source: reposted and summarized from Maria Merano at teslarati.